So now we will focus on a long position in the margin trading. So if you want to margin trade and open a long position, that basically means you are thinking that the price will increase. So I think doing an example is the easiest way to learn this. So if the price of Bitcoin would be at 10,000 right now, and I'd say, wow, well, Bitcoin is climbing so hard, it's easily going to 15,000. You want to open a long position because you want to profit from the price increasing. So on Bitfinex, you have a leverage of 3.33, which is different in every exchange, but you can simply look that up or Google it. So a leverage of 3.33 means if you have a margin wallet of the value 1,000 US dollars, you can then trade with 3.33 times this amount. So 3,330. Let's say Bitcoin would be at 10,000 and you want to open a long position. You will need to put in 10,000 and the amount of Bitcoins you want. For this example, I'm taking 1. So you need to have a percentage maintenance in order that your position doesn't get closed automatically, which on Bitfinex is at 15%, which is also different in every exchange. But that basically means if you have this position, which would be worth 10,000 US dollars because you would buy 1 Bitcoin at 10,000 US dollars, your position would be worth 10,000 US dollars. You will need to have at least 85% of this position. So the value of your position has to at least be 85% of the initial value in order that it doesn't get closed. You can calculate that by just putting the value in times 0.15, which is the maintenance percentage. Then you would get 1,500, and you could do your initial value minus the maintenance, where we would be again at 8,500. So your position would automatically be closed if the value decreases to 8,500. Now, if you want to put now, if you want to close this position at a certain point, for example, we bought at 10K and you want to close at 15K, so 5,000 profit, and you've already opened your position, you would then type in 15,000. The amount you want to sell, you can do anything between 0 and 1, because in our example, we have 1 Bitcoin, and you would then do margin sell. What that does is it waits for the value of Bitcoin to increase to your order, and then it sells. Well, I hope you now have a basic understanding of what a long position is. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will try to answer them.